Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 pre-order bonuses has been leaked. Also, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 official cases images has been leaked showing materials and colors. And finally, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition leaks in an official back to school promo. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, we'll know a lot more about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 than we did a few weeks ago, which should make it all easier to make your mind whether or not to pick your up. The good news for recent convert is that the pre-order bonuses are still live, so get in there while they last. Basically, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3 order bonuses includes a $100 trade-in credit for the Z Fold 3, 2 trade-in phones or tablet instead of one for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Z Flip 3, and you will get a 12 months of Samsung Care Plus included with a $155 value, and extra special offer towards the Galaxy product during the pre-order. And actually that pre-order detail has been leaked for European markets. So basically that leak has been arrived from Snoopy Tech on Twitter. Samsung will bundle the Galaxy Z Fold 3 pre-order with so-called Note Pack consisting of an S Pen case and a 25-watt wall charger. This leak seemingly confirms a few important things about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 launch, yet it's going to be having an S Pen support as revealed countless times before, but it also seems like it won't be shipping with any wall charger in the box, which sounds about right given Samsung's recent efforts to cut down on the cost. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 pre-order bundles will reportedly be worth of €89, which brings us to alleged the cost for the S Pen case. And talking about the cases, the image of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 cases has been leaked showcasing materials and colors. So as we already know the leaked cases for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, we also got a look at those that will be coming with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The leak has been coming from a WinFuture, which give us an every detail about the cases that are coming inside. Basically, first of all, we have a classic silicone case which are coming in a black and white color option. Next we have the leather ones in a tan and a black, just like the Z Flip 3, and honestly the brown color option is looking pretty much great. Last but not the least, there's the rumored S Pen carrying case with a special sleeves for the stylus. Yes, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is now a pioneer of Samsung stylus experience for power user out there. Quite frankly, I think that it is the best use of such a huge screen as long as it's durable enough to withstand the constant use of S Pen. While not quite out there as with the option for the Z Flip 3, the cases for the Z Fold 3 have more elegant and serious appeal to them. You will be able to see all that's new with the upcoming foldable and their covers in a couple of days at Samsung August 11 Unpacked event. And final story of the day is regarding the Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which has been leaked in an official back to school promo. The device appeared on the back to school ad alongside with the Galaxy Book laptop and what looks like the Galaxy Buds Pro earphones. Interesting bit of the rumor suggests that the S21 Fan Edition is postponed and will launch all the way in October, and the device is expected to be bringing 6.4 inch of Super AMOLED display with 120Hz of refresh rate, Snapdragon 888 or Exynos 2100 chipset, 4500 mAh battery. There is also a possibility that the device in the ad is just the S21 or S21 Plus with a new paint job, but it appears very unlikely that Samsung will release a new version for just a changed camera island. So Samsung has already deleted that particular ad, so it's pretty much confirmed that this was the S21 Fan Edition. So guys, all in all, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be a device which is more innovative, and honestly I am looking forward towards that. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.